Hello world, Branko from MikroE will be your host today with the purpose of presenting a prototype which provides interactive button with which you can create an experience that brings your projects to life with just a touch. With this prototype containing interactive button, potential use cases are incorporating it into machinery or equipment for intuitive control, or integrating it into smart home systems for controlling lights, appliances, or security features with a touch interface. Now it features button play click board, which utilizes capacitive touch sensor display. This sensor, designed as a touch button with a backlight arrow icon, requires only 4 exposed pins for operation. The sensor's compact design and durable construction make it advantageous over mechanical buttons, offering resistance to wear, weather elements, and providing a stable touch interface. Tools used for this prototype are ClickF4 for STM32F4, and you don't need an external programmer. It has it built in, which is super nice, with a microcontroller on it, STM32F407VG to be precise, and official prototype documentation, with code included into documentation, and finally the coding environment. This exact prototype can be found on the Embedded Weekly platform and can be programmed with Necto coding environment. And by the way, you are able to select over 800 different projects with this Click add-on board if you need a similar prototype. What I prefer is browsing the Embedded Week article to get me started with this prototype. That is the first thing. The second thing, downloading the working code from within the Necto environment. And the third thing is flashing the code to get a desired result. Now, do it yourself. Branko out.